Let's go to etiology in Chinese medicine. The topic is external causes of illness. The external causes of illness are factors that originate from the natural world and that invade the body mainly by means of the exterior of the body, the mouth, and the nose. The external causes include the climatic pathogenic evils and the pestilential pathogenic evils. So let's look at the climatic pathogenic evils. There are six climatic pathogenic evils. They are wind, cold, heat, dampness, dryness, and fire. Under normal conditions, they are known as the six chi and are six different kinds of climatic conditions of the environment. These six chi are necessary for all things to grow and, as such, are quite harmless to the human body. However, when the weather changes in abnormal ways and when the body's genuine chi or the primordial chi is insufficient, with reduction in the body's ability to resist disease, then these six chi can turn into the six evils. Weather changes may be abnormal when they are excessive or deficient, or they may occur out of season, such as exceptionally cold spring or hot autumn, or they may be very abrupt, such as sudden heat wave or a sudden cold spell. The characteristics of these six climatic pathogenic evils can be described as follows. Number one, the exogenous contraction. In general, when the six pathogenic evils cause disease, they do so by attacking the exterior of the body or by invading through the mouth or nose. For this reason, they are also known as the six external evils. Number two is season dependence. The illnesses caused by these climatic pathogenic evils are correlated with the seasons. For example, wind illness are particularly common in spring, heat illness in summer, dampness illness in midsummer, and dryness illness in late autumn, and cold illnesses in winter. Local independence. The propensity of the six pathogenic evils to cause illness is intimately related to the locale and environment of the person. For example, cold or dryness illnesses are common in the northwestern highlands. Dampness or heat illnesses are common along the southeastern seaboard. People who live in damp areas frequently contract dampness illnesses. People who work in very warm areas frequently contract dryness, heat, or fire illnesses. Note that this discussion is specific to China, though applicable to other regions that are on the eastern seaboard of continents in the northern temperate zone. Each of the six pathogenic evils can assail individually, but in most situations, two or three attack the body concurrently. For example, the common cold is due to wind and cold. Diarrhea is often due to dampness and heat, and rheumatism is often due to wind, cold, and dampness. Number five is changeability. During the course of pathogenic caused by these evils, not only can the evils affect one another, but they can also, under certain conditions, transform into one another. For example, when the cold evil enters the interior of the body, it can transform into heat, and prolonged dampness heat can transform into dryness and injury yin. In modern clinical practice, external pathogenic evils encompass not only climatic factors, but also biological, like bacteria and viruses, physical and chemical factors. Thus, using the six evils to capture all exogenous pathogenic evils and to study the course and progression of diseases through the interaction of causes and responses may not be very detailed, but it is a relatively correct approach. Thank you so much for your attention.